The Mary S. Roberts Pet Adoption Center was founded in 1897 to help prevent cruelty to animals. We're an organization dedicated to providing the best quality care for homeless and unwanted animals until we can place them in a new home. Today, our adoption center continues to eliminate the suffering of homeless cats and dogs in our community. We operate under the Adoption Guarantee Guidelines, which mean no healthy adoptable animal is ever put to death at our facility. Our pets either come from owners who can no longer care for them or are transferred from animal control as a last opportunity before they would otherwise be destroyed. They then receive comfortable shelter, nutrition, vaccinations, and spay-neuter surgery if needed. For those that are too young to be adopted, volunteers offer temporary homes through our foster care program. This philosophy allows us to directly achieve our objective of reducing pet overpopulation and providing a second chance for otherwise homeless cats and dogs. Our agency sets the standards in permanent adoptions because we take the time necessary to match pets and people, and all of the animals that enter our facility must pass a behavior and health assessment prior to being accepted. They then each receive daily socialization and a vigorous marketing campaign to achieve adoption. We're dedicated to finding homes for all of our pets, no matter how long it takes. For each animal, a successful adoption is the ultimate goal. To achieve this result, individuals who wish to invite a pet into their home go through an extensive adoption process, including counseling on the medical, physical, and emotional needs of the pet they are adopting. Further counseling is made available upon request after the animal is placed in the home to support a smooth transition for both the family and their new pet. There are several ways that we measure our success. First, we track the number of intakes by the number of pets adopted. The more quality adoptions we can facilitate, the more pet owners we can assist when they can no longer care for their animals. Secondly, we measure the number of impounds and euthanasias at local animal control agencies versus the number of spay-neuter surgeries that we perform at our clinic to eventually see a reduction. For example, if we can prevent the number of unwanted and unplanned litters, we can prevent the number of pets being euthanized each year. Many people think that all rescue animals have some sort of problem, and that is the reason they become homeless. The fact is, the majority of our pet population consists of well-adjusted, often well-trained pets. They typically end up in animal welfare agencies due to no fault of their own. Some pets do have behavior issues that are typically a result of insufficient socialization and a lack of established boundaries and training as youngsters. But these behavior traits can generally be modified through proven techniques and a little patience. We're proud to say that we average 1,200 successful adoptions each year. In addition to adoptions, some of our other accomplishments include the opening of a high-volume, high-quality spay-neuter clinic. Our goal is to alter up to as many as 35 pets per day. To date, we have performed more than 3,000 spay-neuter surgeries. The crisis of pet overpopulation is staggering, with 3 to 4 million pets put to death each year. We believe that preventing unplanned and unwanted litters is a large part of the solution. The Pet Adoption Center is a nonprofit organization. We operate with a core administrative staff, adoption counselors, kennel caretakers, and volunteers. Our doors remain open from donations, grants, and fundraisers. Because of the nature of our organization, the public assumes that we receive government funding. We believe that this misconception causes some donors to forgo monetary contributions. Another misconception is that grants fully fund our operations. Due to the dwindling availability of foundation funds targeting animal welfare organizations, we're ever increasingly reliant upon private donations. With additional funds, we can continue our life-saving efforts by simply facilitating more adoptions. Our more complicated task is reducing the number of pets born each year. We are striving to accomplish this through our reduced cost spay and neuter programs and integrated Lifeline spay-neuter clinic. Another way to achieve our mission is to promote the idea of early spay-neuter through humane education programs targeted towards children. These are causes we're passionate about. By focusing on these issues, we are positioned to make a huge impact on pet overpopulation. We hope to implement a targeted spay-neuter and trap, neuter, and release program and programs to assist low-income pet owners. Through these programs, we can continue to reduce the number of animals who enter adoption centers and shelters. By increasing the number of people who adopt pets, we can be part of ending pet overpopulation as we know it.